welcome back to another exciting video. We are on another adventure. My husband celebrated his birthday 2 days ago, so finally we get to do something. We are at Mystic Mountain and we're going to enjoy all the rides, all the tours today. And you know me have to take you guys along on the journey with us, alright? I was not prepared for this. Babe. I mean, no sir, if you're afraid of heights. Me literally not look though, guys. It is too high. Maybe you don't feel afraid. We don't feel relaxed. Can't wear wig band them right here.
Why we don't?
Guys, that ride was quite relaxing. However, if you're afraid of heights, it's not for you. Alright, so we're going to be heading on a new ride now, the Ragamuffin. Alright, we will see how this one I go. I'm here a fly.
Crazy. Whoa. Damn right. Yo. Yeah. Damn, that. Oh, shit's crazy, man. Whoa.
Oh my god, this is horrible.
Whoa! Whoa! Ooh! Damn, bro! Pick up your foot. Oh, sit there.
Listen to me. Listen. Come, babe. Come, I will give a review about that ride here. Me not ever do that again. It come like says I got turned upside down. Oh my God.
Right now, mother go back.
No, sir. Oh my God. Alright, so we're going to, I guess we're going to do the bobsled now. Alright.
Expecting that at all. Yeah, feel like it gonna fling me out.
For the bobsled, guys, we could not record as when we started the ride, it was going at a high speed. Babe took the race, and when it slowed down, he got a few footage here. So, yeah, it was crazy.
Put up my phone before I lose it, yeah?
Up next, guys, we did the Anansi Web, which was so hard for me. We started at the extreme top. There I am getting all buckled up and all of that. Trust me, this was a real adventure that I would definitely do again with my husband. It was amazing.
So I feel like I do something now. The free fall, man. Yeah. I just come from, man. Yeah, man, they're good, man. Ready, go. Yeah, don't pull the cable out. Don't pull the cable out. Just jump off. Yeah, don't pull out the cable. Now come on. No, you're not gonna clear up. You should come down there already, you know. My boss, let me see if you're interested. My boss, come in. I want to test the point now, you know. Ready? Just free fall, man.
Guys, this was one of the most beautiful moments. This challenge here helped me to realize that my husband will never ever let me fall if I just trust him.
Take your time. Hold up, no focus on that, it have a slide with you.
This is me really doing something for love, because the mess up me up isn't for me. I don't like it. It's fun though, you know, but for someone who doesn't like heights, no. But I'm enjoying myself so far. Here, there goes my, but they're mastering his thing. He is enjoying himself. Okay guys, we're heading on the zip line now. Am I looking forward to it? I don't know, but look at that excited. It's been a fun journey so far, so I'll let you guys know because I don't think you can record, but yeah, I'll fill you guys in on the experience of the zip line. What can I say, guys? Mystic Mountain was such a great experience. I would do it again. I recommend this place. If you're a married couple and you want to explore something together, go ahead, book that ticket, book it. It will be worth it in the end. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Please remember to like, share, comment, leave a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite part of the video, and of course subscribe to the channel. See you next time.